yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up? What it is? What it is? What it is? Last call now. We are
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
We are here. It's about to begin. It's your show, your most beloved show, roaming podcast. Gulasi Corner of Faith. We are having our guest. I think maybe some of you know the guest.
Yeah.
Maybe you don't know the guest. The guest is going to give a little intro. Ukuthi enhlek. Ubani usivakashele vandaag roaming podcast. Give it up for our guest.
Yo, what's up, my man? This is Joseph Kadi. Yeah. This is me from Drieziek Forum. I'm a filmmaker, I'm a director, I'm a producer,
Yeah,
I'm a content creator, I can tell.
yeah.
Yeah. So this is me actually. Thank you so much for inviting me to the show. Um, that's great.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, guys, we are having our host. We are having our host. Efike Ngomshiso. We are here, guys. We are having our guest of the day, Abuti Joseph. We
Yeah.
can call him Kadi. We can call him many names. He has many names. He has many acting. Some of you have seen him go to TV,
Yeah.
whatever, wherever. So, guys, yeah, we're having him. So, like, what up with him? Like, yini esiphathele yona today.
Okay. Today what I bought here, it's the unconditional series that I want to propose,
Okay,
which I'm busy with, working with Met Visuals.
okay.
Yeah, so we're still busy building this content. It's a high series of the ancestors.
So you said who?
Met Visuals.
Yes, Med Visuals.
Yeah.
So guys, Med Visuals, some of you don't know at home. So Med Visuals are the crew directing team that make roaming podcast to be here today.
Indeed,
That's Med
correct. Yeah.
Visuals.
Yeah, that's Met Visuals.
Okay, I do hear you about Med Visuals. So what is your impact through the youth of Orange Farm? So I hear you're having a Drieziek forum. What does it do? You are a filmmaker. So sikubona kuphi? Sikubona kanjani?
For the slots, unfortunately at the time now we're still busy with the pre-production.
Okay.
So while we will be inducting on to the post-production, it's where we will be going for the sorts, maybe ETV and sorts. But at the moment, we're still building thespians, and for youth, we are about to do auditions. We are about to do auditions, actually hosting musical auditions, screen auditions, script writing auditions, more in arts whole.
Oh,
Yeah, more in
okay,
arts
okay,
whole. So
okay.
we've got indigenous stories and untold stories that we want to share with the people worldwide.
Okay.
It's teaching, it's educational, it's with music because it's going to also uplift the upcoming musicians, or who have that thing to be featured to the industry. So we want to give them a chance, and we want to hustle for them because others they can't even hustle for them to put their music on radios or on TV. So we featured with Met Visuals, and that's why we are here at radio as Drieziek Forum. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Okay. I do get you. So it seems like you're having too much effect on the youth of Orange Farm. Because if you say there's singing audition, there's acting, there's screenwriting, there's script writing, you can name them all.
Yeah, I can name
So
all.
anything that concerns being
Arts.
there,
Yeah.
being that
do it.
effect through art.
Because we even stand theater and film. It's not only film, we also do theater.
So some of those feelings, we have that effect to say we want to go maybe Nigeria, we want to visit some of the other countries. So does it have those sponsors that one day you picture yourself going to England, going to Sweden, or going internationally?
At the moment, I can say yes because we're quite working with other producers and other directors that I
Okay.
won't even mention now on the
Okay.
show.
Okay.
But
Okay.
it's the ancestors, but even the ancestors. It's where we're going to roll on Nigeria because we being educated to showcase the witchcraft. How did the witchcraft come to life, and how do you remove witchcraft, and how do you expose demon?
So okay,
And
so don't push far cause I'm getting too confused. So you're saying Badi with the ancestors.
yes, yes, yes,
So
yes,
excuse me.
yes.
So what do you mean the ancestors basically? It's a story that you picture that it will take you international. That's what you are saying,
Yeah,
basically.
it's not a fiction. It's based on true story because it's based on true events that I've seen, some I've experienced on my journey from being a child till today. Some I saw that, yeah, there is witchcraft in Zanzi, so I also thought there is witchcraft in other countries. So we want to expose that. We want to get people and to know about that, to educate the youth, so that we
Okay.
shall know where does these things actually come from, and how do we defeat it as human beings, because we, at the end of the day, we shall not be scared of
Okay.
the,
Okay. I do get you. Badimu,
the
the
ancestors.
ancestors.
Yes.
Okay, I do picture a billboard having some actors from Orange Farm. There I can just picture to say, I know this guy. This
Yeah.
guy is Tulan I used to go to school with and everything. So
Hmm.
is there any effect the youth is giving to give that ticket for you to go international?
Yeah, I can say that because here in Drieziek or here in Orange Farm, I've spotted a lot of talent.
Okay,
The youth have talent,
okay.
and it's just a bit of a gain of experience, or that just need to
Mm.
put to them, because I've featured many inspiring musicians like Bongani Matebula is
Yeah,
rolling as a
yeah,
master
yeah,
covert.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Um,
yeah.
I've worked with ZGT.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of artists that I have seen and met.
Okay.
Madness. The hip hop artists. I've seen that there are people that that you can just pop in and bounce at the sponsor, so that they can just bounce their career up and there. But you know, for us, we still working on something inspirational, because we've got a lot on the table. Hence now we are busy with the crew, forming the crew and building the cast.
Okay. I do get you Putam. I do get you very properly. Ngithola kahle, ngithola kamnandi. Yonke into yami ishukela 88. So now Putami, I have that question. I know some of the people watching, they have that question. Putami. Now cause it's pillar is TikTok, colony TikTok, each and everything we do, it's all about in TikTok.
Yeah.
So Putami, if you can tell me the word of the day, so the word or a phrase that will motivate a youth, yes, Orange Farm. Because when you say youth, Orange Farm, some of the people in ngaphandle already Orange Farm, it's a threat. It's a place of threat. So now we have that mentality yokuthi i-Orange Farm has that threat nje ngokwayo. So any person that comes a Orange Farm, even if you go anywhere. So does the youth of Orange Farm get motivated enough from you that nomunye afisa ukuthi abe part of the Orange Farm Afri Forum?
Yeah. Yeah. My brother. Just like I've said before, like to the youth, what I can say, they shall just hold it and just strive forward, and never lose it,
Okay.
because like whatever you want, You just have to bargain on it. Whenever God has wanted you to succeed, the only chance He will find you there where He said you have to wait. But for us, our doors are open for every youth from the age of 0 to 35 years old. We are open for every youth. We are yet to future because we've got a lot of podcasters, a lot of documentaries, current affairs shows. We are able and we want to bring the Drieziek or Orange Farm news, as in like news, television news and so on, because we feel that a lot of youth they have to gain indigenous knowledge of Africa and beyond.
Guy, like, yo, guys, it's going down here. Like, most of the words are puma, guys. Like, you need a dictionary. Go down on the dictionary, get to find the words, get to know the words, because amakama pumalana. Nyazi nani bafethu. It's going hard, it's going dizzy. It's guys. But what I can say to the youth outside is that makusasekhona nina abantu abafana nani, we can prosper.
We can prosper.
We can prosper. We can prosper. Because knowing that iyasabwa i-orange farm, iyasabwa, just nje ukukhuluma iqiniso nje.
That's why we want to put it in the beautiful picture. Like erase that Yasaba kuze orange farm. Just come and see.
That's what I love, my brother.
Yeah.
That's what I love. That's what I love. Yo, but I so wish like even someone who's in Pumalanga, KZN, Northwest, you can then name all provinces in South Africa or abroad.
Yeah.
If that person wants to reach out to you, how do you help? Like kuthola kanjani usizo?
Okay, we are on digital and social platforms.
Okay.
With the name of Drieziek Arts Forum.
Okay.
And
it's Drieziek Arts Forum. So that Drieziek Arts Forum is not at hashtag. No, it's just Drieziek Arts Forum. Okay.
Then on TikTok it's _ Drieziek Arts _ Forum pictures. So also you can also get me on Joseph Mukwena.
Joseph Mukwena, okay. On so Facebook. On Joseph Mukwena, it's Facebook,
Twitter, Instagram, YouTube.
Okay.
YouTube, you get me on Drieziek Arts Forum also.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where you can get me.
Okay. I'm so blessed. I just get hold of him just fast. I know some of the contact details. You need them, you want them, we are staying. We'll make sure that Joseph, we make sure that we keep the details. If you want the details, you can come there, give a like, give a share. Roaming podcast, that's where we are namhlanje. La sikhona kamnandi kanjani, jayiva ujuluke kumnandi kanjalo, bathi kwenzakalani. Siyabonga.
Yo, brother. Voila. Wow, you nailed it, man. That's a star. Hey, bro, that's on card, right? That. Hey, man, Alicia Bali, ya when I'm too.
Okay,
English. Let's come and see. Is it good? Yeah. Wow, come and see.
Really,
you sure?